MacBook Pro 2012 model. So today I will show you how to change the hard drive and make SSD hard drive. So I will open this all screw. You need a screwdriver, small size. This 3 screw is big size and this all is small size. After that, you can see here is the hard drive is 1 TB, is 1000 GB. So I will remove this. Okay guys, I have to remove this one. And I need a 6-star screwdriver, and I have to remove this lock. And here is the Kingston. It's 480 GB SSD hard drive. And I have to connect this and this one. Make tight this screw here and set up this one here. Guys, now you can see hard drive is set up there. So now I back to the cover. Back to the part and make tight screw. This 3 screws big size, and after all is a small size. Okay guys, there's no operating system, so that's why not working. So thank you guys. If you want to change your hard disk SSD to SSD change, you can do this way. Is Macbook Pro 2012 model. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.